Today I'm going to show you how to create a packing slip from a sales order. So we're going to go ahead and create a sales order. To do this, we'll click on Customer Care. We'll click on Order. We're going to choose a customer for this order by clicking on the magnifying glass. And now we're going to add an item to the order by clicking on Add Item to Sales Order. And now I'm going to choose an item by clicking on the magnifying glass. You can also type it in if you'd like. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to fill in some arbitrary values. I'll click Add and Continue. And now we can safely close this window. Now we've added our item to our sales order, and now we can click Submit if we're done. And now we've submitted our order. And to create the packing slip for this order, the next step will be to click on Supply Chain Management. We'll click on Inventory, and lastly, Pick List. Now we're going to search for the customer who we just made the order for. And we're going to click Display. And as you can see by the date and the order quantity, this is the order that we just created. And just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to add a route. I'll click Save. To create the packing slip, we'll select the one that we want to do, select to pack. We'll click Packing Slip. And what happens now is that we get a new menu with the packing slip that we just created. It has a few different things we can do, but for this purposes of demonstration, we're going to click Packing Slip. And Submit. Do you want to continue? Okay. And now you have a PDF version of the packing slip, which I'm going to print out and show you. And as you can see, this is now the packing slip that we just created. And that is how you create a packing slip from a sales order.